Okay.
Thumbs up when it's ready. Okay. Hi, everybody.
What's your name?
Hi, everybody. My name's Declan, and today I'm gonna show you my BG-12 21 pole station. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it gets pulled. So it says push and pull down. So for example, push and pull. To reset it, just you have your little screw thing here. Turn it around and you'll see this thing right here, this metal thing. When you see it move like that, you can open it, and then you can just flip the switch, close it again. 1 second. Okay, and then you lock it, and then look on the back to make sure it's locked, and then you can use it again. Thank you for watching.